Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is communication skills and leadership. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject communication and also discuss various topics related to it like concept of communication, classification of communication, barriers of communication, and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the topic communication skills and leadership. You can also watch other videos, links are provided in the description box. So before starting the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is communication skills and leadership. So what is the importance of leadership in communication skills? How we can develop leadership through communication skills, we will discuss here. So leadership communication skills are essential for guiding teams, building trust, and achieving goals. Focusing on clarity, empathy, and action through active listening, transparency, consistency, and adapting messages for different audiences, while also mastering constructive feedback, conflict resolution, and inspiring a shared vision. Key skills include active listening, transparency, emotional intelligence, adaptability, and clear articulation of the why, ensuring words, the actions aligned to motivate and engage employees. So, for better leadership, there is a better communication also required to improve teamwork, to build trust among the employees, and so on. So there are core leadership communication skills also, which are active listening, transparency, clarity and conciseness, consistency, empathy and emotional intelligence, adaptability, constructive feedback, conflict resolution, inspirational communication. So these are the basic core leadership communication skills. Now we discuss here each of the point one by one detail. So first one is active listening. Fully concentrating on understanding and responding to team members, not just waiting to speak, often involving paraphrasing and open-ended questions. So active listening is very important in leadership as well as communication skills. So that we can get better response from the team members, and they are not just waiting to speak, they are involving in the open-ended questions also. The second is transparency, honesty. Openly sharing goals, challenges, and news, it may be good or bad, to build trust and context, explaining the why behind decisions. So, why this work is done, why it is important for everyone, the team members, it can be solved through the transparency and honesty among the team members. The next is clarity and conciseness. Delivering precise, actionable messages covering the who, what, where, when, why, how to cut through noise. So, precise action is very important for the clarity and conciseness of the messages to solve the questions like who, what, where, when, why, how to cut through noise in the communication. The next is the consistency. Aligning words and actions to demonstrate integrity and build credibility is very important in communication skills and to create the leadership among the members. So this is a very important feature of communication skills to create leadership skills. The next is the empathy and emotional intelligence. Understanding self and others, reading the room, and responding with care and understanding in difficult situations. So empathy and emotional intelligence is very important in the among the team members while leadership skill development. The next is the adaptability, tailoring communication style and channel in person, email, video to the audience and situations is very important to adapt the proper communication and the channel also. The next is the constructive feedback, providing specific actionable insights that guide improvement without demotivating is very important for the better feedback of the communication among the employees. The next is the conflict resolution. Skillfully addressing disagreements to resolve issues and maintain morale is very important for the better leadership and to create trust among the employees. And the last is inspirational communication. Motivating teams by connecting daily tasks to the bigger vision and purpose, often through storytelling, can motivate employees better in a better way for doing the work in a proper way. So this is all the very basic core leadership skills, communication skills to create leadership. Now we discuss the importance of the core leadership communication skills, which are as follows. First one is builds trust and culture. Second is drives productivity. Third is increase engagement, and the last is align teams. So these are the various importance. Now we are discussing each of the point one by one detail. So first one is the build trust and culture. Fosters an environment where people feel safe to share ideas is very important in the organization. Second is drives productivity, ensures clarity on roles, responsibilities, and goals is also important for the better productivity within the organization. Next is the increased engagement. It helps employees understand their value and contribution to the organization. So it can increase engagement of the employees in the organization by understanding their contribution to the organization. And the last is the alliance teams. It keeps everyone focused on shared objectives. So the employee of the organization will be focused to their work, their working pattern, and their objectives also. The next topic is related to the methods to improve leader communication skills. So there are basically four methods, which are model behavior, create dialogue, be present, share the why. So these are the various methods to improve communication skills. Now we discuss each of the point one by one in detail. So first one is the core model behavior. Be the example of communication of you want to see is the model behavior. What we want to do the employee, we have to do the same work to done by the employee, to perform by the employee. The next is the create dialogue. Focus on two-way conversations. Asking more questions than you answer is very important for a better communication to remove the errors in the communication. The next is be present. Eliminate distractions during conversations is also very important. So, sender and the receiver should be presentable. So, be present in the current state while communication. Share the why. Explain the reason behind decisions. What is the reason of this particular work or why we do something can be solved through the better communication. So this is all about the communication skills and leadership. I again summarize all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So leadership communication skills are very important for to create trust, to build trust, to achieving goals and focusing on clarity also. Core leadership communication skills are active listening, transparency, honesty, clarity and conciseness, consistency, empathy and emotional intelligence, adaptability, constructive feedback, conflict resolution, inspirational communication, and so on. The second important topic related to core leadership skills are importance of core leadership communication skills, which include build trust and culture, drives productivity, increase engagement, and alliance team. And the last one is the methods to improve the core leadership communication skills, which include model behavior, create dialogue, be present, state of why, and so on. So this is all about the leadership skills and communication skills. Uh, if you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know what in the topic related to research methodology, business management, business communication, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shimangi. We met in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.